Welcome to another episode of Big Lee's Corner, and today I'm featuring unboxing August 2021 Pro Wrestling Crate that just came in a few minutes ago. Now, what's in the box? And not to spoil this for myself, so try to hide it somewhere. I like to surprise myself, even if it's something I don't recognize. Purveyor of Violence, John Moxley, or Dean Ambrose. Characterized, they're not the same person, but they're both the same person behind the scenes. Pro Wrestling poem. Pro Wrestling Tees. A poem by Lenny Poffo, who was the genius in WWE, aka Randy Savage's real-life brother. The genius knows Pro Wrestling Tees is seldom just shooting the breeze. They're taking the locks off their mystery box unless someone misplaces the keys. Lenny Poffo. Alright, t-shirt number 2. Well, Spick of the Devil. Or should I say, Spick of the Genius. Lenny Poffo t-shirt. The American Lex Luger Deluxe Express driver. The only man I know that celebrated for just body slamming a big guy and not winning the title from him, but yet had balloons and confetti coming in the ring. Brutus the Barber beefcake. It looks like a haircut clip. I thought this bag would have had an opening, but no. Had to rip it the hard way. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got little scissors and little toenail clippers. Perfect timing. My toes do need a trimming. Got a scaffold and these other things I don't know too well. Oh wait, these are tweezers. Well, file-in tweezers. Little file. And whatever these two things are. A pennant of the Nasty Boys. Let's see, Brian Knobbs and Jerry Sags. Critical Botch, the comic. Let's see if I recognize any faces on here. That's Orange Cassidy right here. I assume that's supposed to be Orange Cassidy, I pointed out. And finally, the 8x10. Brian Myers. Oh, hell yeah. Kind of makes me wonder if it's actually signed by Sam Bell. Knowing Myers' gimmick, that would be the case. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner. If you would like to subscribe to a Pro Wrestling Crate, I have a link in the description. Also, if anyone feels generous to donate, I have a link to that in the description as well. I'll try to have a nice day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.